What can drones do? A lot more than just fly. Today, we'll see how these amazing machines are helping us achieve the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for zero hunger. Drones scan farmland from the sky. They can spot sick crops early, helping farmers grow more food with less waste. For clean water, drones monitor our rivers and lakes, detecting pollution before it spreads and keeping our water safe. For clean energy, thermal drones check solar panels for hidden problems, making sure they produce as much power as possible. For sustainable cities, drones help planners understand traffic flow and inspect bridges safely, all without closing down roads. For climate action, after disasters like floods or wildfires, drones map the area so rescuers can reach people faster. For life on land, drones protect forests from illegal logging and help track endangered wildlife from a safe distance. And for good health, drones deliver critical supplies like vaccines and blood to remote villages where every single minute counts. From cities to ecosystems, drones are making our world safer, faster, and more sustainable. They aren't just technology. They're tools to change the world one flight at a time.